government is in big trouble. Attacks on anti-government demonstrators by armed gangs called Shamir, which roughly translates as ghosts, are escalating daily as the street protests gain in force. Members of these gangs say the government pays them to intimidate dissenters.
This is metal plates because some of the bullets made their way through towards the direction of the chair. 24 shells.
Opposition leader and businessman Andy Apayed says Aristide has trampled on Haitians' human rights by arresting government critics and paying armed thugs to beat up marchers.
The capacities of people that Mr. Aristide control is very, very strong.
I used to burn tire on the spit for Aristide, you know, like write his name in the road everywhere, Vive Aristide, you know, Apart conventions, that's what I do. So when they see it's us, like we fight for Aristide, like we give Aristide power. So what they do, they know they can fuck with Aristide, they can do nothing to Aristide. Now they make us hot. Like they give us a name, like she may make everybody scared of us somehow.
President Aristide denies the allegation.
We are in a learning process of building a state of law. How could we let thugs, gangs, moving ahead with weapons in their hands? No.
I got big boss, you know, in the government, so they give me the car to work. See? You see, let's see pass. It's like that, man. We cool, brother.
Tout journée chimé a fini à laisser.
Ah, là, qu'on y a similé ça va 16 ans là. Ah, si on pas les têtes mal 16 ans là derrière, là, ouais, c'est caca pour parler là.
Pour le bas 6 ans pas.
Menti. C'est pas ça qu'a fait. M'a vinn côté hôpital. Pour dem week-end. OK que chef. Ouais, toute bagarre fait. C'était lui maintenant tout pour faire là. Mon so bon, ça ouais tout ça de mettre là pour mettre. Mettre ni paraître. Et au moment où on va faire ma carte nous même.
Yeah, of course I want peace on the streets, but realistically, painting perfect pictures ain't never worked. My missing was so deep, couldn't sleep through all my pressures.
I want you to understand, that song, that music. It's real Tupac, nigga.
There was unity, but after puberty, we were war to our community. Some die for fun. So why you ask me if I want peace? If you can't grant it, niggas fighting across the whole planet.
Planet.
So we can never.
You understand? We can never have peace. That's why I keep my peace in the streets, nigga.
Never be peace.
Never be peace. Oh. You want me to okay, bravo. I'm just talking to my little brother, Billy. God damn, they call him Constant Fair, baby. You know, we two brothers. Damn. Like y'all know, Tupac, you know, fuck. I'm a thugster, gangster, you know. But Billy, not a gangster. Chill. Billy wanna be a president, you know. Of Haiti, fuck Haiti, man. But my brother, I respect him, you know, anyway. I respect him.